Okay, Mary Jo, I'm ready.
Here we go.
Great.
I never knew winter could be so beautiful.
Yeah, it really is beautiful, isn't it? But it's so white. You know, have a little color. I'm thinking like maybe some crimson, chartreuse. How about yellow? No, not yellow. Yellow and snow? No go. Am I right? Hi.
You're creepy.
Whoa!
I don't want it.
Whoa, back at you.
Please don't drop me. Come on, it's just a head.
No.
All right, we got off to a bad start.
Ew, the body.